How to install Discord on PC. Wanna join voice chats, game nights, or study servers on your PC? Today I will show you how to install Discord on your computer. Fast and easy. Let's get started. First things first, open your browser. Then go to www.discord.com and hit that big download for Windows button. If you are using Mac or Linux, scroll down and pick your version. Once it finishes downloading, open the discord setup.exe file. You may have different file versions depending on your PC. Once you open the downloaded file, it will automatically install. Just give it a few seconds. Discord will open on its own once it's done. Now you can either log in or create a new account. Bonus tip: want to skip installing? You can use the Discord in your browser by clicking Open Discord in your browser on the website. And boom! Discord is now on your PC, ready for gaming, studying, vibing, and more. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.